50 slots. We are here at the Cosmo. Well, I'm here at the Cosmo doing a little bit of free play for a baby girl who unfortunately had to work today. So Eyes of Fortune is what she wanted. There's your progressives. Yes, please. She said 2 cent denom. So we're not going to do a $5 bet. We're going to do a $1 bet because that's usually what she does. Well, button's a little sticky. Oh, there you go. That's a great first spin. Hey, coin show. First spin coin show. So she has $25 free play. And we're going to see how much we could win. And she matched it. She gave me 25 plus the 25 free play. We're going to try to get $100 without having to use any of her money. And I'll take that as a first spin. Look at that, $35.10. Hey, baby girl, look, you're at 60 bucks already. So let's see if we could keep that going. We'll take our $25 worth of free play on this machine, and then hopefully wind up with $100 out of it. That would be our ideal goal. So baby girl gives me 25, and I go home with 100. All right, 61, 40 more. We need one more big hit or a bonus. Let's get free spins, and let's get the hold and spin. Let's do both. Let's get a big line hit, free spins and hold and spin, all on $25 free play. Come on, bonus. Ah, it's right there. Look at it. You see it glowing. Almost that. Oh, come on. Do it. Damn it. All right, so let's see. Where are we at? That's $13. So we've spent $12. And we should have stopped at the first spin. Oh, bonus. What's wrong with you? Come on. Man, we haven't won anything in like 10 spins. Ah, there you go. 60 cents. $8. So we have 8 more spins. Oh, come on, bonus. Do it. Come on, Eyes of Fortune. One more. Come on. I want to get 3 of those red lanterns. $4 left, it looks like. Do it. Bonus. We got someone screaming across the casino. Hey, $64. Not bad. Oh, do it. Alright, so let's see. We have a $1 left to free play. $1. Alright, come on. Let's bonus this last spin. Nope. Alright, so that'll be the free play. We're gonna take $4. We're gonna play it down to 60. And then see if baby girl, I'll send her a message, see if she wants me to keep playing anything. Fishes for days, there you go. $4 to start. Oh, come on, Tigers. 65.60. Come on, let's get that 100 mark. There you go, some queens, some flowers. For $1.70. Hey, we're moving in the right direction. Now, if we could just bonus. Ah, come on. Shouldn't be that difficult. Come on, birds. Something big. All right, $3.30. Oh, come on, bonus. Ah, damn it, there's 2. 2 more spins. Oh, come on, right here, do it. Ah, that would have been a $20 mini. That would have been nice. All right, last spin. Oh, do it. Come on, last spin. Ah, they were there. All right, guys, that'll do it. 25 in, 25 free play. $60 out. Send baby girl a message, see what she wants me to do with her $60, and we'll be back. All right, everyone, here we go. Vic T in for a gypsy baby girl. She won $75 free play once again. She said to play this Lightning Link Heartthrob. There's your progressives. 5 cent denom, going back and forth between $2.50, which we'll start with, and $1.25. Let's get some volume on there. And see if we could get anything to hit for her. Her goal, $75. So let's see if we could get a bonus for her to win her $75. $2.50. Come on, bonus. So far, we haven't won anything decent at all. I think 250 was the biggest. Even a $1.25 bonus. Oh, there it is. All right, baby girl. Your shot. Let's drop that 727. Come on, let's drop some good numbers. Like a mini. Oh, there's a 375 in there. That'd be nice to drop. Come on, hearts. I would say even the grand. Then I'd have to make a drive down here and claim it. Do it? Hey, that's all right. It's a little bit of money. We'll do a free play check in a minute. All right, $22.50. All right, so let's cash it out. Let's see where she's at. So far she's at $27.25. We'll go back to $2.50. Oh, come on, moon. Diamond fooled me. I thought it was a moon. Let's see if we could get a few more wins for her, because $27.25 I don't think is her goal. $50 mini. Do it. Do it now. Still got 37 bucks. 35 now. I don't think we've won anything since. Oh, there it is. Another bonus. There you go, Gypsy Baby Girl. Look at that. You got both bonuses in your free play video. Being brought to you by Vic T. Alright, come on. At least 50 bucks. Those two extras kept going, it would have been huge. Come on, big win. A little something. There you go. Alright, well that wasn't really anything worth it. It's about 10 bucks. Let's go back to 250. Come on, do it. We'll play one or two more spins, and then we'll do a free play. We'll do a free play check again. Come on, Moon. Again with that diamond in that corner fooling me. Moon now. It would have been nice on the 250 bet. Alright. Last spin. Alright, let's do a free play check. Let's see where Baby Girl's at. 16.25 left. That was another $9.95. So we'll play the rest of it. Baby Girl's machine's not doing very good today. Two. Damn, that would have been huge. Alright, got 2 or 3 more spins. It's gonna be the last spin. On $1.25, we got a 250 lightning chance. Come on, could you get all 3 features? No. All right, guys, that'll do it. It looks like, let's see. I'll put the 2 tickets back in. We tried Baby Girl. And let's see what Baby Girl won. Total $75 free play in, and it looks like $37.20 out. All right, guys, we'll be back.